Namaskar. Welcome all of you from many places in South Indian states to this wonderful ventriloquism and voice modulation workshop hosted by Abhaya Foundation with the support of Sprouts Preschool Management. And I wish to initiate this program and our workshop at this platform. I take this opportunity, our beloved Santosh, CS Santosh Kumar. Many of you may not be knowing about this gentleman who is standing before us today. Santosh is a company secretary by profession. చాలా మందికి కంపెనీ సెక్రటరీ ప్రొఫెషన్ అంటే కూడా తెలియకపోవచ్చు. కారణం ఏంటంటే ఎవ్రీబడి knows about chartered accountancy, cost accountancy, but very few people today knows aware of company secretary profession. He is a qualified member of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. As of date, out of 135 crores of Indian population, only 65,000 people could successfully complete company secretary course. And such course is being done by our Santosh Kumar. This is a profession. Ante vritti ritya he is a professional, but pravritti ritya he is a man of talent. He is a person of multi skills in his personality. He gives us mimicry shows. He gives us modulation techniques. He gives us shows on ventriloquism, and he might have toured at least 10 countries in the last 20 years. He may have started his profession as a company secretary, but his passion is always for this wonderful rarest talent which many of us don't have today. I believe whatever he does, always remember how that can be connected to the social work and social causes in the society. So right now, considering the fact that Abhaya Foundation started serving 10,000 people during the winter nights across the country, he committed himself that he would like to host a show under our banner so that people can have opportunity to watch this ventriloquism show. Also make them to be part of blanket distribution initiative in the country. So with this background, he has motivated the people around, and we are now here. I remember there are about 20-30 registration happened through Abhaya Foundation. Most of them are our students from education side, and I wish everyone please be here with rapt attention. He is a person with so much of talent. You cannot even imagine how he will conduct the ventriloquism show. Whether doll is talking or he is talking, nobody is aware even today. And that is the sort of communication he does with the ventriloquism doll. And the way he conduct will be definitely motivating, very entertaining, very empowering, very enlightening for all of us. So saying, I welcome CS Santosh Kumar M for this ventriloquism show. Thank you, Santosh, for being there with us, Abhaya Foundation, in service of mankind, especially Abhaya Hunt the Winter 2020. We need to have 2,500 more blankets now to accomplish the task of 10,000. And if people are able to understand our mission, they can always be part of this service projects happening across the country. Jai Hind, Namaskar. Over to Santosh and Vijay.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Balachandra sir is always a motivation for me. Since my training days, since the day I was pursuing my company secretary course, he has been an inspiration to many of us, to me also. With that small introduction, my connection with him. I'll start the show. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా ఇంగ్లీష్లో మాట్లాడాలా ఎలా మాట్లాడమంటే అలా మాట్లాడతాను. తెలుగు ఇంగ్లీష్ రెండు మాట్లాడాలా? Fine. Okay, understood. Yeah, hello. Who is talking? Who is talking? Where are we? We are in this session of Zoom session. Again, Zoom? You brought me to Zoom session? No. Every day you're saying me to Zoom, Zoom, Zoom. I don't understand. Why should I come to Zoom? See, today is Sunday. I know I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. Why? Why do you want to sleep? I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. I don't want to get up. Yeah. Oh. Valachinder sir. Namaskaram, sir. You know him? Yeah, I know him. Yeah. I know him. Yeah. He's always smiling. Oh, smiling. He's smiling more than me. Yeah. More than you? Yeah. Okay. Say namaste to him. Namaste, sir. Namaste. And we need to start the show. Yeah. I'm starting the show and you're disturbing me. And you're not telling me, you're not allowing me. Hello, I want to talk to them. You want to talk to them? Yeah. What are you doing every day? I get up, I sleep, then I wake up. What is this? I wake up, I sleep, I get up. Get up, wake up and sleep? Yeah. Why do you sleep between wake up and get up? That is called sleeping. Don't sleep like that. I want to sleep. Then what happens? My mom says, get up. Then I get up. Then I go to washroom. Then I sleep. You sleep in the washroom? Yeah. Then my mom says, come out. Then I come out. Then I go to the dining table. I sit. I don't like breakfast here. You don't like breakfast? Yeah. Why? My mom says, eat apple, eat banana, eat oranges. I don't like that. You don't like that? Yeah. I don't want to drink milk also. Why? I don't like, yeah. What do you like? I like pizza, burgers, and noodles. But they're not good. No, they're junk food. Junk food? Yeah. Food junk? Yeah, food junk. No eating? No eating. You should not eat the food junk. We should not eat the food junk? Yeah, it's very bad. It's bad for health? Yeah, it's bad for health. Then what should I do? Then you should... I don't want to drink milk here. Why? Milk is white in color. I hate white milk. What do you want to drink? I want to drink Coke, Thumbs Up, and Sprite. That's not good. Then why do we get into the house? Sometimes for parties we get that for house, but you should not drink that Pepsi, Thumbs Up. No, that's not good for health. Not good for health? Not good for health. Who said that? I'm saying, no, it's good for health. No, it's not good for health. No! I'm going. Everything you're saying, no. You're going? Yeah, I'm going. Come back. No, I don't want to come. Come back. I don't want to come. Come back. People are watching us. I don't want to come. Please.
Vijay, you need to have a screenshot of all the viewers with 1 or 2 photographs for our record.
Yes, sir. I will do it, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Who is the talking? Sir, Balachandra sir is talking. Oh, be careful. Don't talk. You'll... Okay, come back. I don't want to come. Come back.
Hey, please come. Everybody is watching you. You can't do like that. You should be a smart boy.
Oh.
You are a smart boy. You are a good boy.
Who is talking? He's talking or you're talking? No, I'm not talking. Sir is talking. He's always talking. Come, forget. You tell what you want. I don't want to talk. Then what you want to do? I want to sing a song. You want to sing a song? Yeah. Sing your song. All night then at the home. Yeah, oh. All night then at the home. Yeah, oh. There was a cow in the song. Yeah, oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Super.
Yeah, oh. Is it over? Yeah, it's over. Come back then. I don't want to come. That's my head. It's your head. Tuck. Nothing is there in your head. Nothing is there in your head? Yeah. Tuck. Nothing is there in your head. Come back. I'm coming. Come back. You should not. touch like that? Oh, my phone. Your phone? Yeah. This is a phone? Yeah, this is my phone. This is a phone? Yeah. This is my phone. This is my phone. This is your phone? Yeah, this is my phone. You're talking? Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Where are we? We're in Zoom. Yeah, there's a Zoom, yeah. 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 Okay. Inky. Can I talk? You shut turn your head. Hello, Inky. Inky. Yeah. He's always disturbing here. What time show is going to? Show will be over by 12 o'clock. Yeah, show will be over 12 o'clock here. He's always disturbing here. What is your name? My name is Santosh. His name is Santosh here. Every day is doing zoom, and he's disturbing here. Okay, Inky, we'll meet in the evening. Okay, we'll meet online. Hey. No, it's over. It's over. What are you doing? I am seeing phone games. You're seeing games? Yeah. You're playing games? Yeah. I am playing games. Then I am also watching YouTube. You're watching YouTube? Yeah, I am watching YouTube. Don't watch it. Don't watch it? No, that's not good. That's not good? No. Give it. No. Don't eat the phone. That's not good. Give it. Good. Phone. You're a good boy. Okay. Please give. Okay. Please give. Please. Okay. Thank you. My phone. I'll get back. What do you do? And my mom says, wash your hands. Then what do you? She says, wash your hands frequently. Then I wash my hands frequently. Yeah. Oh, frequently, I don't understand. Yeah. I don't know. She says, wash your hands frequently. Then I go to washroom. Then I put the soap. Then I do like this. Then I on the water. Then I do so. What are that? They are the bubbles, yeah. Bubbles? Yeah. You are playing with the bubbles? Yeah. But it's not good. That's good. That's not good. You should use a sanitizer so that, it becomes easy and good for you. You can use a sanitizer. I use a sanitizer, yeah. Then I would not rinse in the mouth. Put the fingers in the mouth. Yeah. Then it did not tasted good. Then remove it. Vijay, can you mute other people? Vijay, can you mute other people? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
There's some sound.
I will do it, sir.
Yeah, because some disturbance is coming. It will disturb.
Yeah, one newly joined people, sir. I will just.
Okay, fine. Fine. Yes. Okay, thank you. Then remove your fingers. No. Don't put your fingers also in the mouth. That's not good for health. Not good for health? Yeah. No. Go now. I'm going. That's good. And one friend, and I got one more friend. His name is Robert. Robert is a good friend of mine, and he comes to this show regularly. And hi, hello, how are you? And Robert. Yeah, how are you? Robert, what are you doing these days? Attending online classes. You're attending online classes? Yeah. Very good. Yeah, very good. Then what you're doing? I'm learning. You're learning? What are you learning? ABCD XYZ. ABCD XYZ? Yeah, ABCD XYZ. But it's not ABCD XYZ. It's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's good, Robert. Say bye to them. See you. That's good. That's a Robert. And I got one more friend. And this show is two things. One is a workshop, as well as this is a ventriloquism show also. So I'm doing the show right now. Then I'll connect a workshop also. Then I'll also tell you the techniques of the voice modulation. And there's the animal. We all have the animals at home. The pet animals sometimes, and the birds like pet animals like birds, cats, and dogs. So be careful with them. And this is my pet also. No. Say Happy New Year to them.
Happy New Year to you all.
Very good. No, Croak, you should not do that. Come back. Say, what do you want to say?
I want to see tongue twisters.
Hmm?
I want to see tongue twisters.
Tongue twisters?
Yeah,
But you don't have tongue. You don't have tongue.
I have teeth.
Okay, you have teeth.
I want to do teeth twister.
You want to do teeth twister?
Yeah.
Say it then.
She sells
Mhm, mhm.
at the seashore.
Okay, she sells
She sells
at
at the seashore.
the seashore.
Say it again.
Okay, she sells
Mm. Seashells at the seashore.
Okay, she sells at seashore.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Say thanks to them.
Thank you. She sells seashells at the seashore. Seashells at the seashore. Seashells at the seashore.
Croak, will be quiet. Croak. Very good. That's good. That's good. Don't talk. Don't talk. Croak, keep quiet. That's good. That's good. It's sleeping. Don't talk. Okay. Put yourself on mute. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now I got one more friend who is going to talk to you. His name is Kalia. Kalia is a bird, and Kalia always likes to fly. What happened?
It's too cold.
Hmm?
Video must be on. People switched off their videos. It should be on.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay, say Happy New Year to them. Very good. Say thanks to them.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, you'll come back again.
Yeah, I'll come up again.
What are you doing?
I'm going to sleep.
Hmm?
I'm going to sleep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Bye.
And dear friends, most of you, if somebody helps you, you don't even say thanks to them. So it's very important that when somebody helps you, you should always say thanks and you should always care for other people. And if you see somebody, if they need a small help at house, like your grandfather, grandmother, they may be needing a small help. You try to help them. That is a good thing.
And that is not good thing.
It's a very good thing.
Very good thing.
Very good thing.
Yeah. Good thing.
Say bye.
I see you.
That's very good. That's very good. And we got one more friend. It's Jurassic Park from. I brought him from America when I went to Los Angeles. And you. Hey, be quiet. Then no. 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 No, Dino. No, Dino. Relax. Relax. We just came to say Happy New Year to them. And we'll go back. Say Happy New Year to them. Very good. Thank you. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. Go back. Go back. Very good. You're a good friend. Okay. That's good. That's good. And we got one more friend. And some of the boys and girls, when I'm doing a workshop, they asked me, sir, you're showing only boy puppets, animal puppets, and you're not showing us a girl puppet. But I got a friend who is going to come here. Her name is Julie.
Hi, hello.
Julie likes dancing. Julie, it's not good, Julie. We're on the show, Julie. You should not dance.
Okay, we're on the show.
You're on the show. And you're not supposed to dance, Julie.
Okay.
Say it properly.
Okay, sitting properly.
Yeah. You're going to school, Julie.
Yeah, I'm going to school.
And you have any questions, Julie?
Yeah,
You're learning numbers, Julie.
yeah.
What are you learning?
I got a question.
You got a question?
Yeah.
Ask me.
What is 2 plus 3?
Huh?
What is 2 plus 3?
2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5.
3 plus 2.
3 plus 2 is 5.
4 plus 1.
4 plus 1 is 5.
1 plus 4.
1 plus 4 is 5.
For everything is saying 5.
Yeah, 2 plus 3 is 5.
Yeah,
And you ask 3 plus 2, answer is 5.
yeah,
And you ask 4 plus 1,
yeah,
answer is 5. And you ask 1 plus 4,
yeah,
answer is 5.
yeah. You're saying 5. You're going cut pasting.
I'm copycat pasting.
Yeah. You don't know anything.
I don't know anything.
Yeah, you don't know anything.
That's bad. Say thanks to them.
Thank you.
Say thanks to them.
Thank you. Bye.
Very good. Now, most of you may be asking, thinking, how am I doing this ventriloquism and how you can do that at home. Simple technique. This is a socks. Okay, you may be all having the socks at home. You may be using that before going to school. So what you need to do is take the socks. Okay, the socks. Right? And this socks, just put it like this. Okay, put it like this. And take the rubber band. And you know, these are two bindes. If you ask your mom, and she'll tell you what is this. Okay, yeah, that's good. And you can take a rubber band. This is available at home. You can ask your parents, they'll give you the rubber band. You can just put it like this. Okay, and a small ribbon. If you ask any of your sisters, they'll give the ribbon. And just put it like this. Okay, say hi.
Hi, hello.
You're talking.
I'm talking. A-E-C-D-E-F-G-H-I-J-K-L. I'm calling.
Can you say Ryan?
Yeah, twinkle, little star. How I wonder what you are. Like it down in the sky.
Huh?
Like it down in the sky. I'm calling.
Come back.
I'm calling.
Say bye.
I see you.
Don't put fingers. No. Should not put the fingers in the mouth. That's very bad. Bye. Say bye.
See you. Bye.
That's very good. And I got one more friend who will come back again. My first friend who's going. Some of you are asking me, and he's going to do a magic show now for you. This is his cap. Okay.
This is my cap.
This is your cap.
Yeah, you are very.
You're talking too much.
Yeah, I'm talking too much.
Yeah, you're talking too much.
Yeah, no.
You're talking. I should remove you. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. You're a good boy. You're not going to shout. Very good boy. That's good. Okay. Don't shout when I'm performing. Right? That's good. I'm ruining it. You're shouting. Then what can I do?
What? Why you're putting the cap on my head? That is very bad. People are watching you and watching me, and what they'll think about us. That is not good.
That's not good.
Yeah, don't do like that.
Okay. He's going to do the magic show, and this is his a magic flower. And
yeah, that is.
what happened? It gone inside. Didn't fit inside. Putting the fingers in the mouth, some unwanted objects, things in the mouth. That is not good. Don't do that. Okay. Remove that. Say abracadabra. 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 Chim chim chim. Very good. should not say very good. Only say abracadabra, 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 chim, chim, chim. That's all. Okay. Abracadabra, 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 chim, chim, chim. Very good. You say very good, it will not work. Say again, abracadabra. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. It's coming. It's got it. No, don't put it back again. This is not good for health. Okay. You wait and again. Come back. Come back. Come back. I got him back. No. 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 Sit quietly. That's good. Don't put things in your mouth. Very bad. Now sit properly. Now I will tell them how we're doing this ventriloquism.
Don't tell anything to them. Don't tell anything to them.
That's what Balchandra sir told us, that we'll be showing the show and we'll be also explaining the ventriloquism techniques.
What did he say?
We're going to tell the ventriloquism techniques also.
Okay. Tell them.
Okay. You keep quiet then.
Yeah.
He's sleeping. Actually, he doesn't talk.
I talk. He doesn't know.
Quiet. Actually, he doesn't talk.
I talk.
He doesn't talk.
I talk.
You should talk about blankets. You should talk about Hunt the Winter.
Sir, what is he saying?
He's telling that we should talk about the Hunt the Winter.
It is there in my mind. I'm coming to the point.
You're coming to that point?
Yeah.
Coming to the point?
Yeah.
You're coming to the point?
Yeah.
See, Abhaya Foundation runs the Hunt the Winter every year, and they distribute the blankets.
Oh, why should they distribute the blankets?
You know, there are so many homeless people staying on the roads, and temperatures are falling down every day. And at home itself only, we always ask for the blankets if the climate is, if the temperature is little bit down, and our parents use us the all sort of blankets, sweaters, and we will help the people who are homeless.
Yeah. What should we do then?
Yeah, through this program, we are contributing a small amount for the buying the blankets.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
The small girls who are there on the screen, they are contributed for one blanket. Each one of them contributed one blanket.
Oh, I want to contribute more.
If you want to contribute more, you can contribute more. We have the Abhaya Foundation, and if you can call me, I'll give the number of the Abhaya Foundation account number, and you can deposit some money in that account. And we are distributing the blankets across the country.
Oh, across the country?
Yeah, there are so many dedicated volunteers who are doing this work. And this all voluntary work is headed by Balchandra sir, and is one of the dedicated person who is serving the society.
Oh, I know.
That is the work. Not only the blankets, Balchandra sir through Abhaya Foundation, they're doing a lot of work during the Corona time. They distributed the food for the migrant laborers, and to the police department, they distributed lots of ration to the needy people. And so many people who joined us and did a lot of service to the society under his guidance.
Yeah.
And Abhaya Foundation also runs the Abhaya Home, where the lot of people stay there, and people who doesn't have the home, people who are studying, and people who are sick. Many of them come and take the shelter, and Abhaya Foundation take care of all of these people.
Yeah. I know.
How do you know?
I read in the newspaper.
You read in the newspaper?
Yeah.
Which newspaper?
Abhaya newspaper.
Abhaya newspaper?
Yeah, it comes to me very regularly.
It comes regularly.
Yeah, please read Abhaya news letter.
Abhaya newsletter, yes, because Abhaya newsletter, which comes every month, is dedication of thousands of people across the country who spare their spare time and do the service to society.
Yeah, you can also join. Children can also join.
Children can also join.
Yeah.
What they can contribute?
And children, you can do small things at home.
You can do small things at home.
Yeah, you can don't eat too many ice cream. Save that money.
Yeah, if you're eating too many ice creams, if you're eating cold drinks, if you're eating burgers, sacrifice one ice cream.
Yeah, sacrifice one burger.
Sacrifice one burger.
Sacrifice one pizza.
Sacrifice one pizza.
Contribute to your friends who are homeless.
Yeah, contribute to those people. Don't be an impression that homeless people means they are really homeless. God has given us something God has not given. I mean, given to them also. We are those people who are supporting them. So always keep in your mind that a small contribution can fill somebody's stomach. And if you're able to contribute that much money for them, and the blessings you get it is abundance. And that is those blessings are going to help you to grow in your career, and that will help you to develop your skills. And I was also part of that program. Balachandra sir has blessed me, and also part of those program initial days. And today I'm traveling to the countries like London, Dubai, America because of these blessings. So blessings are very important. So, and contribution also gives a lot of satisfaction to you also. So don't forget that you can do a small program and you can contribute that to the Abhaya Foundation. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, children, for joining us.
And all the children who have joined us today are really doing a wonderful. All the contributions which are given to this program will go to the Under Winter program. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, children. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us.
Okay. Then tell a secret.
Don't tell the secret.
Let's tell the secret.
Don't tell the secrets.
Sleep now. Yeah, I'm telling
Hey,
you.
your initial thing that you used to make him to talk, na? Small jokes. You can talk about, perform that for the children who can enjoy.
Yes, yes, sir. We'll do that, sir. We'll do that, sir.
Eh? Who is telling that?
Balchandra sir is telling that.
Okay.
Keep quiet.
Me?
Keep quiet.
Eh?
Keep quiet. Okay. Don't talk.
I am not talking.
Don't talk.
I am not talking.
Sit quiet. Actually, this puppet doesn't talk. Okay. I throw my voice into the puppet and make this puppet talk.
He's telling lies. You're telling lies. You're telling lies.
I'm telling lies.
Yeah, you're telling lies.
And what you do?
I throw my voice into him and I make him to talk. He's a dummy.
I'm a dummy.
Yeah, he's a dummy. He doesn't know how to talk. I train him.
Dummy.
I train him.
Dummy or donkey?
Ayo, I thought you were only dummy. Sir said donkey also.
I'm donkey.
Yeah, you're dummy donkey.
I'm a dummy donkey.
Yeah, you're dummy donkey. Dummy donkey.
I'm a dummy donkey.
Yeah, he's dummy donkey. He doesn't know anything.
Keep quiet. Don't talk.
I don't talk.
Keep quiet.
Yeah, I don't talk.
You are not supposed to talk. Okay?
Okay,
Keep quiet. Okay? Be silent. Be silent.
okay. That lady is laughing.
That lady is laughing.
Yeah, she's saying, "Ee,"
Right?
because Malachandra sir said, you donkey, and that lady is laughing. Eh.
Please don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk.
I can see her.
Please don't talk. Okay? Don't talk.
Yeah, I'm not talking.
Keep quiet. Yeah, people who joined recently, put your mics on mute so that there won't be any disturbance for other people. Thank you so much. People who joined recently, put your mics on mute. Mics on mute. Okay, that's good.
Yeah, yeah. They are putting the mics on mute
You're putting the mics on mute.
and I'm talking.
You're talking. Don't talk.
I'm not talking.
You're not talking.
Don't tell secret. He's not telling secret, no?
I'm not telling secret. You can sleep. Actually, this is not talking. I close my lips and throw my voice in the puppet and give the impression puppet is talking. Okay? See.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Don't talk.
Don't talk. U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
You're talking again?
Yeah,
Don't talk.
okay.
Sleep.
Yeah, sleeping.
Sleep.
I'm sleeping.
Sleep. Then don't talk. Okay? He is not talking actually. I am throwing my voice into it.
He's telling lies.
Hey, don't talk. Sleep.
He is not telling anything. He doesn't know anything. He is only telling all lies. Don't believe.
See, I said you not to talk.
Yeah, I said not to talk.
Don't talk.
Don't talk.
Me?
Yeah.
It's not me. Don't talk. It's you.
It's you. It's not me.
Huh?
It's you who should not talk. It's not me.
Huh?
It's you who should.
You're doing too much. Now relax. Sleep. Sleep.
Yeah, I'm sleeping.
That's good.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm sleeping. Sleep. Okay, that's good. is snoring. That means the sound sleep. Now I tell the secret and listen to it very carefully. And if you shout, if you make sound, you will wake up and you will not allow me to tell the secrets. Okay. After that, you can unmute yourself and ask the questions, right? Fine. Sleep. Sleeping. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. He is not talking, and I close my lips like this. And I say, this is how I talk. I throw my voice into the puppet, and I don't move my lips, and I manipulate my puppet, and puppet is talking.
Who is he? Who did that sound?
It's me.
No, no, no. Don't tell the secrets. He's not doing.
Then you want to tell them?
Yeah, I want to teach them.
You want to teach the ventriloquism?
Yeah, I want to teach the ventriloquism.
Teach them.
You close your eyes.
Me?
Yeah, please close his eyes. 1, 2, 3. You know, I can do the ventriloquism. He is speaking. He is closing his eyes. And I can do the ventriloquism. See, you just need to say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. You should do that without opening your lips. Like this. A, E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's so difficult here without opening the lips. I don't know how it does. Ventriloquism is so difficult to do here. He is doing without opening his lips. Now it's over. Hello, it's over now. Get up. He's not getting up. Hello? 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 Why are you sleeping in the class? He's always, whenever there is Zoom session, he's always sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah, you are sleeping. You are sleeping. I is sleeping. He is sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
Yeah, you are sleeping.
No, I'm not sleeping. Okay. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. And now we have you can unmute yourself and you can ask the questions. And because we have put this in such a way we formatted this show in such a way that I'll just demonstrate the ventriloquism, and then I'll teach you the techniques of the voice modulation. So now you can unmute yourself and you can raise your hand and you can ask the question. We have 18 participants. So each one of you can take 1 minute time and you can ask the question. I'll reply to you. And if you don't have any questions, no problem. You can listen to me. And I'll tell you the techniques also. What you need to do is every day you need to practice a little bit of voice modulation techniques. What happens when you practice voice modulation techniques? Voice modulation techniques will help you to strengthen your voice. How we do? Simple. You take a deep breath and say A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I. These are the vowels. You all know the vowels, no? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U, U, O, I, E, A. Like this, you practice it. This will strengthen your voice. And take a deep breath and say A, E, I, O, U, U, O, I, E, A, E, I, O, U, U, O, I, E, I, O, U, U, O, I, E. Like this, you practice every day for 30 minutes. It's difficult to practice for 30 minutes, but I practice every day morning, 5:30 to 6 o'clock every day morning. I practice all these voice culture exercises. If you don't practice voice culture exercises, then you'll not get the command. You know, Sachin Tendulkar, he practices every day. PV Sindhu practices every day. If you don't practice every day, then you'll not get a command. And what happens if you have a strong voice, you'll be able to communicate to the people very clearly. And second thing is, you develop your concentration. All the art forms, God has given the talent to each and every person. Some may be good in dancing, some may be good in singing, some may be good in writing. So you should utilize those talents. And then don't be an impression that if you learn dance, if you learn singing, that your studies will take breaking. That will not happen. Only thing is you need to balance yourself. That will help you. And you need to develop a good concentration. See, I'm doing this and my concentration is totally on this. And I'm doing this and my voice modulation is different. I'm doing this. This is different. I'm using different puppets. For example, I'm doing uh, crocodile. Crocodile. I'm using a different voice. I'm not using hello. How are you? Hello. I'm using hello. Should that will get you practice. A E I O U. A E I O U. U O I E E E E I O U. U O. And facial expressions. You need to practice facial expression. See, God has given us this good face for everyone. And most of you, what you do know, you put your moms and some of you maybe the girls were there. Then you putting lot of powder on their faces. That is all artificial. If you wash it, it'll go. If sweat comes, it goes. But God has given a natural face to you. I perform every day ventriloquism shows for different schools, not only for India but also Dubai, for US. I don't put any face on screen, any cream on my face. For I'm always laughing because the God has given each and every individual face. You need to practice a little bit of facial expression. Can you mute Vijay? Vijay, mute Vijay.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will mute everyone. Or mute
No.
all.
Yeah, thank you, Vijay. Thank you, Vijay. So what happens is when you are practicing the special expression, it's very easy. You just say practice. And what I do, I take this puppet, for example, and I say, he's not talking, but I'm making facial expression. So this way, I make the facial expressions and I connect myself with the puppets. And one more thing is storytelling is very important, children. Your communication skills are very important. Doesn't matter how many marks you get, doesn't matter how much knowledge you have. But if you're not able to communicate it properly, then you may not be able to express yourself. To express yourself, you need all good communication skills. Good communication skills, the voice modulation is one of the technique, and storytelling is one more technique. What you need to do is, I was telling all the story. It's all cooked up story. It's not dolls are not talking, but most of you are looking so seriously and listening to me. Those dolls are not talking. I have created a story and I started narrating to you. I told you, some of you putting your fingers in the mouth. If I say don't put your fingers in the mouth, nobody will listen. But if I say like this and do like this, you listen. And one more thing I was telling you about the blanket distribution, which is very important. The whole purpose of this program is a blanket distribution for the winter. Of course, Abhaya does lot of programs, but we are part of the small tiny part. Like each drop makes a big ocean. We are part of the small drop. So we're contributing it. So when I'm doing like this, I'm talking about the hunt the winter. You listen to me. But if I say, see, children, you should listen to me, hunt the winter, but you will not listen. But I take a doll and say,
Yeah, what is the hunt the winter?
hmm?
What is the hunt of the winter?
Hunt the winter.
How can we hunt the winter?
You can't hunt the winter.
Yeah, nobody can hunt the winter.
We're not hunting the winter. We are helping the people with the
We
blanket.
have a sister here. Just say hi to her.
Yeah, hello. Hi. Oh God, she's there. Hi, Anna. Hi. Yes.
Yes, sir, Balchandra sir. We'll talk to her at the end. We'll give chance to all of them to say hi to this doll, sir.
Yeah.
Right, sir? Yeah, thank you. So there, right, sir, the flow, I'm with the flow. So little bit, I request, we'll complete in another 10 minutes time, and we'll give the time for all the kids to talk, and the kids can also say hi, and the participants or Habaya home children can also say hi to him, right? So you need to practice regularly. If you practice all that, you'll be able to improve your communication skills. And let me tell you, if I go to countries like Dubai, if I go to London, if I go to America, nobody will see me what is my degree. They will see how I'm behaving, how I'm talking to the people. If my behavior is good, my language is good, then people will appreciate me. If my language is not good, my behavior is not good, then they will not like me, and that may create more problems for me. So it's very important that your behavior is very important. So the only way to behave properly is to understand something and to understand good values, be part of the good programs like Abhaya is doing this good program, be part of this good program. Maybe at home, your parents may be doing some good program of donating money to the old people, or donating some food to giving the food to the cows or animals. Be part of the program, try to help them giving the food to the poor people, go with them to the goshala. If they're going to give the food to the grass to the animals and give the grass to the cows, give the food to the poor small dogs which are sitting lying on the street. So this way you can be part of the good program. So this all about this is the part of this concept of the voice modulation, which is I have put it in a simple way, because if I talk to you for a long time, you'll feel bored. And with this, we stop my one-way communication. Now we'll start two-way communication. This will say hi to each and everyone. Now you can unmute yourself, but one person at a time. Make sure that nobody's shouting around you. You can unmute and you can ask the question. First, we'll say hi to Balchandra sir, and we'll say hi to the all participants of the Abhayam.
Hi, Balchandra sir. Hello, Balchandra sir. Hello, sir. How are you?
He's saying hi.
Yeah, son, you are on mute.
You are on mute, sir. You can unmute yourself and talk, sir. Yeah, now
Very
you can
well
talk.
said. Very good performance. Thank you, my dear.
Oh, he's telling to you or to me?
To you.
Oh, he's
But
telling to
you
me.
only.
Oh, he's telling to me only. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You are a best fellow. Best fellow.
Oh, he's telling you waste fellow.
Me is telling waste fellow.
Yeah, he's telling me waste fellow, you waste fellow.
He's telling me waste fellow, you're telling best fellow to you.
Yeah.
No. Okay, thank you, sir. And we'll take the questions, and I am putting in the gallery view so that I can see all of you. And you can ask the question. You can unmute yourself and ask the question. Yes. Indranil, do you have any question? We have Rudaya, Star Lord, Archana, you have any question? There is a girl by name Galaxy 12. You can ask a question. Kritika, you can ask a question. Gautam, you can ask a question.
Can unmute and talk.
Yeah. Okay. Kusum Patel is saying good luck. Thank you.
Everyone on the videos, we can take a group photo.
Yeah, you please on the videos. On the videos. You can on the videos. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Wow. Sandeep is there with us. Wow. Anuradha madam is there with us.
Yeah. Hello. Hi.
Yeah. Sandeep is not on in the video. Sandeep, can you on the video on Sandeep so that we can take a group photo? Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
Great going. Thank you so much.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. You need to on the video so that we can take one picture. Right. That's good. Right. Okay. If you have questions, you can ask me. If you have questions, you can unmute yourself and ask me the questions. If you can unmute yourself and ask me questions. You can raise your hand. You can ask the question. If you have a question, you can ask me.
You can ask me. Eh?
You're asking how we are talking.
I am talking like
Okay,
this.
I have a question.
Sir, what is the name of the doll?
Oh, doll name?
He is asking your name. You are a doll.
I'm a doll.
No, you're a doll.
I'm not a doll. I'm Santosh.
He is not Santosh. He's a doll.
What is your name?
My name is Tinku.
Tinku is your name?
Yeah, I am
Oh,
Tinku.
you're Tinku. Okay. That's good. That's the name of this doll. Right.
Tinku,
And
I have a question.
Oh, is the question?
yeah.
Is a question is only telling answer.
No, you'll only answer question, not the answer.
Yes, ask the question, sir.
You can answer the question, sir.
What should we do in Corona time now? Because we don't have schools, we don't have colleges. What should we do every day?
Yeah. Every day you should do yoga.
Yoga.
Yeah, like this.
Like this.
Yeah, like this you should do yoga. Yoga is good for health. Do like this every
Yes.
day. Then you should read books.
You should read books.
Yeah, this is our book.
This is your book.
Yeah, this is my book.
This is a book.
Yeah, this is my book. This is
This is a book.
yeah. I am reading this book.
Oh, ah.
Every day I read the books.
You read the books every day?
Yeah, I read the book.
Yeah. What do you read?
A, E, C.
No.
I tell the stories. This is a story book.
The storybook?
Yeah, this is my story book. Every day I read, I write. I write, I read.
Why do you read and write?
Reading, writing helps to discipline your mind.
Reading and writing will help you discipline your mind. Don't be an impression because you don't have schools. It doesn't mean that you should not read and write. The moment you stop reading and writing, you lose the discipline. The moment you lose discipline, you lose the concentration. It's very important that every day should make the practice of reading and writing. You may have school, you may not have school, but reading and writing should be part of your everyday activity. And don't be impression that you'll only sleep like this and you'll only play with the phones. You can play with the phones only for some time, not all the time. Right? Thank you. Any more questions?
See, we have people here from our home.
Oh,
All grandpas and grandmas.
yeah. Hello, hello. Hi, hello.
Okay. Hello. Yes.
Yeah, hello. Hi.
Okay. Hello. Hi. That's good. We have a lot of good people around.
Vanita Akka.
Oh, hi. Hello, Vanita. బాగున్నారా?
No,
చాలా బాగున్నారంట.
చాలా బాగున్నారండి.
తిన్నారా?
కళావతి అవ్వ.
అవ్వా బాగున్నావా? తిన్నావా అవ్వ? తిన్నదంట అవ్వ. అవ్వ తిన్నదంట. తన్నా.
చిన్నరాములు.
ఓ తాత బాగున్నావా?
గట్టిగా.
నమస్తే తాత.
Yeah, see through this, you can also see all Abhaya Home residents. You can see they are so happy because we are doing this show and they're also feeling happy. You should also make somebody happy.
I can make my mother happy.
How will you make your mother happy?
I don't know.
You don't know? You should eat the food. Whatever your mother gives you should eat.
I don't like it.
Don't do like that. Whatever your mom gives, that is good for you.
No.
No. Help your parents when they're cooking something. If it's possible, help them.
I help with my mother.
You help your mother?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I throw water, I throw milk, I throw everything down.
That is not helping. You're only disturbing them. Never throw food, never spill the food on the ground, never spill food on the dining table. And something falls from your plate, please clean it. Okay? Don't spill the food. Right?
Yeah. Any more questions?
Yeah, any more questions? I got a good friend Bala is there. Bala is my friend and he is there. You can ask the questions, Bala, if you want to ask anything. Yeah, Bala has a friend. Yes. Any questions?
Gautam, Sriram.
Gautam is there.
You can ask me, Gautam, any question you want to ask.
Yeah.
Galaxy 12, you want to ask any question?
There's a Galaxy 12? No. Madam, what is the name, madam? You can unmute yourself and talk.
What is your name?
Harita.
Oh, yes. You're saying Galaxy 12.
Phone name is not her name.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is
Harita.
I don't understand.
Yeah, you didn't understand what you're saying? Can you repeat your name?
See, that is the problem, yeah. They don't talk. They don't do anything. They just say, and other people cannot understand, no?
Other people cannot understand. So you need to speak loudly. If you don't speak loudly, see the way the Balchandra sir is talking, the way this doll is talking, and the way I'm talking, this doll is not talking. I'm talking. Tell me, ma'am, what is the name? The person
My
with the
name
galaxy.
is Harita.
Harita,
Harita.
what are you doing, Harita? Sitting in
I'm studying inter second year.
MPC or YVC?
MPC.
You should tell very clearly. They say, half of answers here. I'm going to college. I am studying intermediate. You should say only one line. My name is Harita. I am studying in intermediate and I am in the MVC. My college name is XYZ.
The college name is XYZ?
Yeah.
No. See, that's how you should introduce yourself. What's your name, Harita? What's the college name?
My college name is Sri Sai Aditya.
See, so many questions I should ask her. What is your name? What are you studying? What is your college name? You should say, my name is Arita. I am studying in intermediate and I am the MVC and my college is That's all.
Okay, that's all you should say. Okay, that will help you, Arita. This is a small change. Most of the people fail in the interviews in spite of having a good degree. They are not able to introduce themselves to you. Fortunately, I'm lucky, and Balchandra sir was there in one of our sessions. He has told us how to develop your communication skills. That's how I have developed. Even I don't know how to speak, but I learned it. It's easy to learn the skills. Okay, so don't be under impression that it's difficult, but it's easy. Yeah, any more questions? Sandeep, you are
sure,
there.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Any more questions? Bhaskar. Now, Bhaskar can ask your kids to talk, Bhaskar. Now we have there was one guy who was doing chat. You can ask Bhaskar, you can ask your friends also to unmute and talk to us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Indranil,
And
Indranil by name.
performance.
Yo, thank you. Welcome. There is a person by name Indranil screen name. If you have any questions, you can ask. There's two kids who are watching us. And we have Anuradha madam also. She's one of my good friend and she's also who did our company secretary course.
Right.
Madam, she's also ECA member. You can ask any question if you have. Children, Indranil, you can ask any question, Indranil, if you have.
you can ask.
You can ask Indranil.
They are going, they are not talking. Indranil, talk.
There's no questions as of now, but I really appreciate the efforts that Akshaya Foundation as well as you are going ahead with this. It's really laudable. It has become a very good fun and entertainment to the entire fraternity.
Thank
That's
you.
great of you.
Thank you. He's telling to me, not to you.
He's telling to you.
Yeah, I am great. He's not great.
Okay, you are great.
Yeah,
Yes, you are also great, right? You are the great.
he's telling the great. What is the difference?
I don't know.
The great, one and seven.
I don't know.
The great.
Yeah.
You are great.
I'm the great. Okay. So, and any more questions? Because we are going to wind up the session. We got only time till 12 o'clock. And now time is 12:01. And we can take a 3-4 minutes because there's Zoom is provided by one of our good friend, Manju ma'am. And from Sprout School has helped us with this Zoom. And Vijay is taking care about the controlling of all this from his control room. Thank you, Vijay, for giving the question. And Balakrishna, by name, you can ask the question. Balakrishna, the screen name Balakrishna, raise the hand. Ask the question. You need to unmute yourself, my dear friend. Yeah, you can ask the question. Yeah.
How can I make those puppets?
How
Or
does
you just showed.
how to make the puppets is a question. These puppets, it's available on Amazon, it's available on Flipkart, you can buy them, and it's also available in the stores. We go to any stores in the city, you'll get this. Yes, Sandeep, you got a question, Sandeep? You can ask the question, Sandeep.
Yeah, sir. My name is Sandeep.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I
So tell me,
audible?
sir. Yes, you're audible. Tell me, Sandeep, what's the question?
First of all, very thank you, sir, for conducting this session.
Mhm.
And how do you do voice modulation by speaking without movement of your lips? Means how to able to speak out without movement of lip.
See, I'll tell you the secret. Before I tell the secret, I want to tell you two things. Every year, I save my money and go to the International Ventriloquism Convention, America. I meet the people from all over the world, like people from Japan, Germany, Spain, Finland, and I'm part of some of the best ventriloquism workshops in America. I go there to be part of them. I learn the techniques. After coming back every day morning, 5:30 to 6, I practice voice modulation exercises. You cannot learn anything overnight. You need to practice it every day.
Yeah.
And not only that, I share the techniques with the school teachers who are teaching. And this puppet is nothing. Is the puppet? This is my hand. This is my hand. I'm doing like this, and I'm doing like this. I'm putting, and I'm closing my lips. When you're doing for first time, you'll get the pain in your throat. But
Yeah,
to practice it regularly,
E, E, C, A, E, C.
when I'm doing the first time, I was really, I felt that it's a big task. I was not able to focus. Then I started doing everyday meditation for 15 to 20 minutes every day morning. When I get up in the morning, I sit and do the meditation, because you do the meditation, you'll get a good concentration. If you get a good concentration, your mind will listen to you. If your mind is not listening to you, you can't do anything. Okay, good thoughts will come only when you have a good gratitude towards the things which are around you. And slowly take a deep breath and say, close your eyes, then slowly. First, when you do this, you'll be able to say A, E, C, D, E. Without moving lips, you cannot talk. But if you close your eyes and concentrate, A, E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And if you do with this puppet, I manipulate, I practice it. Yeah. Every day morning, I take this puppet and I do this. You telling secrets? Don't tell secrets. It's simple. So I combine that skills with these skills and I do this presentation. Yeah, Balakrishna by name, screen Balakrishna, they raise the hand. Any question by screen Balakrishna, this girl who's looking at us, you can unmute yourself and talk to us. Yeah, Balakrishna, the screen name by name Balakrishna, you have a question, you can ask us. Or else with this 12 hours a time, and I thank all of you for being the part of this wonderful program. And I thank Balchandra sir for his wonderful opportunity. He encouraged me. That's the reason how I could do this show for you. Any questions from your side? Any questions? Any questions? Any questions? If you don't have any questions, then we'll say bye. And finally, we'll ask Balchandra sir to give his closing remarks. And I'll ask him to give us some guidance because 2020 was a tough time for everybody. And 2021, we don't know how it's going to be. We request Balchandra sir to say a few words and guide us how we can continue to be associated with the Abhaya Foundation and be happy with what we're doing in our life. Thank you so much, sir. It's over to Balchandra, sir. Vijay, you can spotlight Balchandra, sir. Yeah, Balchandra, sir, you can talk, sir. You need to unmute yourself. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Santosh, thank you so much for being here with us. We are grateful for the wonderful initiation that you have done, and we pray for your well-being. Let all the participants in the show be empathized with the cause of Abhaya Foundation across the country. We thank our Tinku boy for showing us the ventriloquism show today across a Zoom call. Thank you, Tinku. Thank you so much. God bless you, dear. I'm so happy to see you on this momentous occasion while we are entering into the new year 2021. All children, all Abhaya Foundation students, I say Happy New Year to all. Let's all jump into the action with so much of energy, synergy into the new year. Forget about the past. Let us move ahead. Jai Bolo Bharat Mata Ki.
Jai!